Hello everyone, Joey Reyes here, come to you with another video. See behind me, we have Unpacked 2018 for the Note 9. Let's check it out. Alright, so finally inside the event, as you can see, everybody's walking to their seats. I tried to grab coffee, but they ran out or got rid of it. I don't know, but we got about an hour to wait, so I'll find something to do. Time to go check out the phones. Okay, so here's the phone. Finally have it in hand. This is the Galaxy Note 9. All 6.4 inches of it with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. They're saying it's going to last all day. Alright, so we have a fingerprint sensor below the camera this time, which is also very good. We have dual cameras here, both OIS, which is kind of great. LED flash. It still has it. Look at that right there. Headphone jack, speaker down there, spot for the S Pen, of course. It actually has dual speakers. This is also a speaker up here this time around. That's a little different from last year. Let's actually play with the new S Pen now. This one right here, it now has a battery built in because now it has Bluetooth low energy, so you can like take a picture while you're not near it or anything like that. You know, pretty much you could flip through songs, flip through pictures. It lets you do a couple things. Obviously, we have our other, you know, regular S Pen features like live message. You can draw some stuff, sparkly and stuff. It still works out. There we go. Let's save that. But overall, this feels a little blockier compared to last year's. It's kind of sharp at the edges, a little bit harder in your hand. Obviously, the phone is gigantic, as you would expect, but you know, for 6.4 inches with those small bezels and that slight curve on the edge, it feels okay in the hand. But like I said, we got 6.4 inches, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It's gonna be a beast. Snapdragon 845 inside, has 6 gigs of RAM. It starts out at 128 gigs of storage and it has 512 as an option. And here in the US, you only get 6 gigs, but in the UK, you get 8 gigs, which is beast mode. But let's see what else we got here. These things are going to be start pre-ordering on August 10th, and it will be available August 24th. At the low price of $1,000 starting, which is quite the pretty penny, but they're hoping that all these extra features make it worth it for you. If you're a creator, it might be good for you. Okay, so somewhat of a surprise, but somewhat not. This is the Galaxy Watch they just came out with. This is the smaller one. As you see down here, there's also a rose gold and the larger model down there. For me, I'd probably go with the smaller one just because I think it fits nicely on my wrist. But this is just a quick look at this. Feels pretty good. Alright, so they're getting us a lot of this event right now. That's just been a quick look at the Galaxy Note 9 and the new Galaxy Watch. Watch out for them. I think pre-orders start tomorrow. That is August 10th. And like I said, August 26th is when the phone comes out. I don't know about the watch yet, but I'll let you know. This has been Joey Reyes. See you later.